Want to make six figures, $100,000 a year? That's a common goal for many. Reaching the six-figure mark can put your salary way above the average household income and improve your standard of living. But how can you get there if your current income is lower? Today, we'll talk about how anyone can land a six-figure job as a programmer. Web development is in high demand and more people are getting the skills to land well-paying tech jobs. The competition for top jobs at companies like Facebook, Google, and Microsoft is tough with millions of applicants. Developers can earn different salaries based on what they specialize in. A study shows that front-end developers are less likely to make six figures, 12.4%, compared to others, 27.2%. But that doesn't mean you can't earn a high salary as a front-end dev. You just need to make smart career moves like considering a company's business stage and where their headquarters is located. More so, how can you stand out and secure a six-figure job in web development? Starting a career in tech can be intimidating, but there are two main paths to get you started. One is to get a degree in a math or computer science related field and do an internship for hands-on experience. Another option is to attend a bootcamp, which is becoming increasingly popular because they provide in-depth training in a short amount of time, usually 3 to 4 months. By the end, you'll have mastered the skills listed on job postings and have portfolio projects to show off on your resume. This will help you secure interviews and eventually a job. The key is to be ready to move around to get to your desired wage, since switching jobs or getting promoted externally is often more effective than waiting for a raise in your current position. If you're currently making $70,000 and want to hit a six-figure salary, here's what you can explore. First, figure out what your specialty is. Being a specialist is important. Just like a brain surgeon charges more than a regular doctor, same goes for a criminal defense lawyer who charges more than a basic legal advisor. Once you know what you specialize in, get your resume professionally written. Look at it just like advertising for a business. You wouldn't make your own ad on your phone, right? You would rather employ an advertising agency to create the advertisement if you were launching a marketing campaign for your business. The same goes for your resume. It's what employers will see and it is how you advertise yourself. So, make it count. To make your job search easier, create a system for tracking job applications. Take the time to research the company and tailor your resume and cover letter to show you're a good fit for the job. Networking is also important. Track your progress and see if you're getting at least 10 responses for every 50 applications. If not, see what you need to improve, like your application or the types of jobs you're applying for. Keep making improvements to increase your chances of getting a callback, an interview, and follow-up emails. Most importantly, for you to get the job, the last step is to be patient and persistent. Be willing to wait for about 3 months before starting the job search again. It's all about numbers, just like in sales. However, there's more to it. Improving your technical and soft skills as well as your communication and self-marketing abilities can help you attract more job opportunities. Anyone can do this, even if you're a beginner developer. Your first job doesn't have to be about the money, so use this strategy to land it. In recent studies, research shows that people making over $100K are more likely to work for big publicly traded companies. Only 28% of those making less than $100K work for these companies, but 43% of those making $100K or more do. This is because big companies can afford to pay more. Higher-earning developers are less likely to work for smaller, early-stage startups. Only 16% of 100K plus developers work for these types of companies, while 24% of those making less than 100K do. This might be because smaller startups are still figuring things out and are less stable. If you want to get into software engineering, you have a few options. You can go to college and get internships, join a bootcamp program, or teach yourself. After that, start applying for jobs. Your first job might not pay well, but use it to gain experience. And most importantly, pick a niche and become an expert in that area. Consider systematically applying these steps so you could eventually land a six-figure job. Remember that it would take some time, so focus on growing and stay consistent. That's all you need to know about getting a six-figure job as a programmer. It is certainly a great and rewarding career to pursue that has lots of opportunities for growth. If you've tried any of these steps, let us know in the comments below. If you aren't too sure if this career is for you, then watch a related video about 5 reasons why you shouldn't become a software engineer to help you decide. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you found this to be helpful. Bye for now!